Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today, after having had a number of our customers requesting information, we are going to show on how to replace the espagnolet on a casement open out window. On this occasion, we've purposely removed the sash from the window for ease of illustration as to what we're going to do. So, first job is to remove the handle from the window and then remove all the screws. This particular espagnolet, if you look at the end, has got a return on it whereby a chute bolt will come out of there. Now, we're going to replace it with a similar model, and we're going to start by taking all the screws out, and we'll be back in 2 minutes. Having removed all the screws, we then remove the whole of the espagnolet. In this instance, it's in 3 pieces. So we spin those over. We can then remove this section. We can now remove the end section and now remove the centre section. Now we've got a clear run for fitting the new part. This is the new part that we're suggesting is swapped out for the part that's been removed, which has got the extending chute bolts at the end. This one comes in 1 piece but is extendable, so you can move it to the size that you require. So on the ordering of this, you'll get a distance from and to, so that will allow you to choose the correct one. In the centre there are the 2 locking bolts, as well as one at either end, and the chute bolt. To accommodate the chute bolt at the end, you may require to buy a couple of extra parts, one of which is the centre keep, and the centre keep is also used in conjunction with this part, which latches into the top of it, to be able to be used for the top. The chute bolt goes through those 2 holes and the mushroom locates into those 2, one of which is used for night vent position. The slider at the back has got what they call a locator. So the idea is that as you extend this out to be able to offer it into the Euro groove where it sits comfortably for fixing, as you push it into the Euro groove, it will rotate this, and these 2 little spring ends will drop in and they will locate behind the serrated edge. This sometimes is a little bit of a problem if you've grabbed hold of it and accidentally turned it. So you need to pull back out the springs and rotate it thus, so that it allows you to be able to slide it. You'll also note that on the side of the drive box, it says BS21. That stands for the back set dimension. That's from the front of the plate to the centre of the hole where the handle goes through. Now, this has been designed and built at 21 millimetres. It allows it to be fitted just comfortably onto either a 20 millimetre back set or a 22 millimetre back set. So they will be able to be used on either of those 2 dimensions if you're checking against your box that you may remove and discover that it's got 20 or 22 written on it. Because this part, when you receive it, is in the locked position, I'm unable to show you the next clip using this as the illustration. So what I've decided to do is use one of the centre boxes to give you an idea what I mean. RH would stand for the right hand side. So if you're offering this into the window from the side of the window, then as you put your handle in, the handle is down here, and when you rotate it, it pushes the arms out. Therefore, that will allow it to lock. At the moment, the part on the window is in the locked position, so you're going to offer it onto the window and then unlock it. However, if you then want to use this on the left-hand side of the window, you simply rotate it so that the handle is offered in from this side, which is the plain side. And you'll see as you offer the handle in, the handle is down here, and you rotate it, and that pushes the arms out. The main aim now is to locate this box centrally to offer it into the sash. Once you've got it in a position where you're happy, then you've got to concentrate on the end. So having got the espagnolet firmly in place and the handle in position, you then have to unlock it by turning the handle, and as you do that, it retracts back in, and then you simply remove the blue end caps, which were there designed to hold it in place so it didn't move during installation. Having got the espagnolet with the shoot bolts firmly in position and screwed in place, the only thing then is to secure the strikers, one for the centre and that pair for the either side, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching our mini video. Thank you.